Hi, and welcome. Here at Azion, you can count on a specialized support team whenever you need to send queries, suggestions, or report on any issues that have occurred while using our products. When contacting support, your ticket will follow a service flow according to the type of activity, the severity level, and the service level agreement (SLA) you have contracted. Let's see how to request assistance. To open a ticket, follow these steps. Log into the Real-Time Manager. From the top menu, click on the question mark icon and select the Contact Support option from the drop-down menu. Let's learn about all the options on the ticket screen. On the top menu, you will find the following functions. New Support Ticket. Click on this option to create your support ticket. Check Ticket Status. This option displays your service status. Phone number refers to the contact number to reach the support team. The first time you enter support, the ticket screen displays the Submit a Ticket menu. On the ticket screen, click on the New Support Ticket option. Fill in the fields or choose the appropriate option as follows. Product, list of Azion products. You can choose one product per ticket. Subject, please add a title to identify your ticket. Type, choose the reason for the service. Requests, to make a specific request, for example about a new integration or features. Question, to clarify your doubts. An incident, to report an incident. Severity, general guidance. You have a query or a question about some of the features. System impaired, not critical functions of your application are behaving abnormally, or you have an urgent query about development using Azion products. Production system impaired, important application functions are compromised or impaired. Production system down, you are unable to resolve the problem and your business is severely affected. Important application functions are unavailable. Business critical system down, you are unable to resolve the problem and your business is at risk. Critical application functions are unavailable. On description, describe your needs. To speed up your service, provide the following details when opening your ticket. This way our team will be able to track what's going on to resolve the issue more quickly. Include the full information where possible. The URL of your settings on the Azion system that is having problems. What behavior is expected and what is wrong under what conditions the problem occurs. Browser application operating system, internet service provider, type of internet connections for example, the step-by-step so we can reproduce the problem. Make sure you are using the same device that is having problems and access the URL netinfo.azion.com. Enter the value that appears next to the IUID field. If you want, you can attach a file. We recommend a JPEG, PNG, or PDF file extensions. Phone refers to the phone number of the person responsible for discussion of the problem. When you're done, click Submit, and that's it. You have just registered. You'll need to reach out to our support team, and you will receive a confirmation email. Did you submit a ticket? To check on your support ticket, follow these steps. Log into the Real-Time Manager. From the top menu, click on the question mark icon and select the support option from the drop-down menu. On the ticket screen, click on Check Ticket Status from the top menu. The first time you open a support ticket, you will see the Open or Pending option. You'll also see all tickets to check on all of them, as well as the resolved or closed tickets. You can also refine your search with the Sorted By option to view the progress of your service by the creation date, the last modification date and status, and still have the possibility of sorting in ascending or descending order. For more information, check out our online documentation. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.